Yeah, man. A first time money this, you see me? I say big up the judge, man. Everyone who forward that and thing, you see it? Yeah. You know me I do a tune, yeah. And I really feel with him this still now, to tell you the honest truth. But the rhythm kinda, you know, so just I work with the rhythm I see him. But it's a life story thing still, you know what I think so. Alright, me kick it up. Alright then. Watch out now, more time me feel stressed out. Yeah, me feel left out. Painful memory, then me wish me coulda blocked them out. Me lose my father for my birthday, me mother drop out. Family me say, loyalty me all about. Me brother them keep it genuine, never sell me out. Them that they through the thick until they know fi hold it out. Them a road that when me tread is not an easy road. Judge protect me head but the thing them a feel loud. Can't give when me cheap and that me can't afford. Me get tired for the weed, me burn a coachy load. Me see success a coming, know it a go loud. Mommy they up a heaven but me have to make she proud. You a Benz and be my fi a touchy road. By me family them everything them can't afford. My brother them believe na me them never have no doubt. But me wish mommy did the bout. Cause sometimes man feel so alone. Treading this journey on my own. Judge I never left my side and me never left it, no. Sometimes man feel so alone. Treading this journey on my own. Judge I never left my side and me never left it, no. Me know me born for great, can't hold me down, just bust the gate. Can't keep man pan a level, man a elevate. Me drop it's like a bomb boom, make the place a shake. Me brother them no soft, cause we no paper plate. We been through lot of hard time, but still we hold the faith. Then see me smile, but no know the pressure when me face. Daddy drop out and me really miss the same face. Sad memory got me a steer in a space. Yeah. Sometimes man feel so alone. That in the journey on my own, Judge I never left my side and me never left it, no. Sometimes man feel so alone. That in the journey on my own, Judge I never left my side and me never left it, no.
Alright, Frassa buddy. Hey, big up myself, 100% talent Jamaica. You know what's going on, Nero Malisha.
You know, big man thing still. When we get exposed to the international market, I start to meet some people who them are the driver behind some certain music. When I hear someone get nominated for Grammy, 10 people will sit down and talk to them more while. I get for over and say, you see the continuous fast lyrics, it only work for you, so. I hear everything we have to still, you know. It's a solid 8 to get for that still, you see me? Must make it clear, say, music no stop us, so. Jamaica now for real for your brother, because the world bigger than what you think, you see me I say? But you see the compact, you see me? Sometimes it miss people. It sometimes miss all the ears of the person who make you the biggest thing tomorrow morning, so don't know, yeah. Solid 8.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Yes, Kisha.
I too will give you an 8. I like the idea of what you're saying, but as you said, the speed. We need to be able to hear what you're saying clearly. It's not one of those, the rhythm then will keep you moving no matter what you're saying. With this rhythm, you're going to want to listen into what your words are, and I wasn't hearing you clearly, honestly.
Alright, everybody give us a number. Make we have a number, please. Just a number.
You know, a solid 8, man. Frassa money, hold them.
Alright, thank you for that. 8.
It's a 9 for us.
Alright, big up yourself, Frassa. You know it go. I don't know.